So, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is coming this September, and the rumor mill is officially in overdrive. We are looking at an incredibly solid list of upgrades for Apple's next rugged powerhouse. But there is one major hardware change that practically everyone has been expecting, and unfortunately, a highly credible source just shut it down. Hold on to the video for a moment and don't click away. Otherwise, you're going to miss exactly what Apple just decided to scrap. Let's start with the big one first, the hardware redesign. For the first time since the original Ultra dropped in 2022, Apple is finally giving this watch a major physical overhaul. According to recent supply chain reports, the Ultra 4 is getting a much thinner profile and a significantly more ergonomic body. While it will definitely keep its rugged titanium build and that familiar flat screen, this redesign is completely focused on comfort. That means wearing this thing for sleep tracking or long workout sessions is about to become a whole lot less annoying. Next up is what's happening under the hood, specifically with the health sensors. The Ultra 4 is rumored to be doubling its sensor count. Apple is reportedly moving away from the current raised sensor disc and switching to an entirely new 8-sensor ring layout. This is a massive deal because it spreads the sensors across more of your wrist, meaning far better contact during intense movement, and way more accurate readings for heart rate and blood oxygen. Speaking of health, a major new capability is currently under review by the FDA. Apple is working on a brand new high blood pressure notification system. We already have basic hypertension alerts, but this new feature is expected to be a much bigger deal for preventative health monitoring. Now, let's talk about performance and battery. Inside the Ultra 4, we are expecting the new S12 chip. The focus this year isn't necessarily on raw speed, but on power efficiency. By combining that new silicon with an upgraded display, Apple is trying to squeeze even more life out of the battery. If you thought the current 72 hours in low power mode was good, this new efficiency push could make the Ultra 4 the ultimate off-grid watch. Oh, and real quick, do you guys actually wear your Apple Watch to sleep, or is it too bulky? Drop a comment below, I really want to know. Okay, let's look at the software side. The Ultra 4 is going to launch with watchOS 27, and yes, that means Siri AI is coming to your wrist. Apple is clearly trying to make the watch far more independent. With improved AI and a faster processor, you will be able to handle way more tasks natively on the watch, without needing to constantly pull out your iPhone. But now, we have to talk about the bad news. The feature you need to cross off your wish list right now is a major visual redesign of the watch face. For months, people have been hoping for a completely new look, maybe even a larger display, especially after those micro-LED rumors last year. But the latest reports, including an update from Bloomberg's Gurman, have confirmed that the Ultra 4 will not get any visible upgrades to its overall aesthetic design beyond just being thinner. The focus is entirely on performance and health, so don't get your hopes up for a radically different looking watch. To sum it all up, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is bringing a much thinner case, a massive 8-sensor upgrade for better health tracking, a new high blood pressure feature, serious battery efficiency gains with the S12 chip, and Siri AI through watchOS 27, but no major visual redesign. All of this is expected to drop in September 2026 alongside the iPhone 18. Are these upgrades enough to make you switch, or are you holding on to your current watch? Let us know in the comments below.